the headlight to fix up. It just failed its annual inspection due to this headlight lens plastic. So we're going to give this Meguiars one-step headlight plus restoration plus something kit a go and see what we can work out. Don't know if it shows up too well on the camera, but I'll take some stills before and after so we can see what's going on. Looks pretty munted to me, pretty rough. So I'll give you a close up with the camera, go through the kit, get our buff on, go from there. Right, so here's the left-hand one. This is the good lens. As you see, pretty perfect. No blemishes, no anything. Looks nice. Come over to this side. It doesn't actually show up too badly, but you can see it's all foggy, not clear at all. So yeah, we've got to try and polish it out. So this is a Mazda Familiar SB20. We've had it in before for some other bits and pieces. Certainly well kept lot. Got 283,000 kilometres. It's also due an oil change whilst it's here. I was due that 6 months ago, but we'll not worry about that, we'll get it sorted. Next we'll look at the kit. Oh, here we go, Meguiars one-step headlight restoration plus. It's improved. It's got exclusive wall pad technology. It also includes the sanding and finishing pads for those stubborn understains. It's the wool that makes the tool. We should have a before and after. So before we can't see scooters, after we should be able to see a scooter. So we'll see how that works out. We've got a money back guarantee. So in the kit we got our wool that makes the difference. Bottle of the Plastex cleany junk. And these kind of abrasive pads for those stains even your mum can't get out. So now this stubborn defect removal pack says don't use this. You've tried this on its own. There we go. So it says before using this, have you follow the one-step directions on the back of the box. No, so we're going to do that first, see what results we get, and we'll keep hold of this. Hopefully, save it for a rainy day. Right, so our instructions on the back of the box. Stick your wool pad on your drill, apply a nickel size amount of Plastex, no idea what that is, a small amount, and place a pad flatly on the surface, spread the product, start the drill, get up to full speed, keep it moving, reapply until you're sparkling. Right, so there's our beast. Remember, this is our high quality drill, costs less than 20 bucks. It's not set to hammer, just the bearings are connected, so it should do the job. Getting good value out of this. So we'll shake up our magic sauce. I'm going to work out how big a nickel is. Pull that tab off. The same as a penny. Oh. Looks about right to me. We're going to smooch it over the place. And we're going to start off with low speed. Actually looking pretty good already. Top half looks nice and clean, bottom half looks less so clean. perfect. Actually quite happy with that so far. One more go, we might actually have it sorted. So we didn't need the heavy duty stuff, we just needed a bit of the old plastics on the wall, buff wall technology. We should be good. How's that? Not as crystal clear as the other one. We've still got a wee bit there, so yeah, we'll hook into it with the stub and stain bit. Start off with a wet headlight. And we go for our 4 sanding grit. Starts at 1800, 2400, 3200, 4000. How long do we do that for? Dry that off. That's stage 1, that looks pretty uniform to me. Next we go to our 2400 grit, which is the other side of the same pad. Right, there we go, that's for number 2. Okay, with number 2 you're actually supposed to do side to side and up and down, so we'll do up and down as well. Right, that's got to be enough for that one. Worse than when we started. Right. Well, next up we've got number 3 and number 4. Number 3 we do side to side and up and down with number 4. So side to side with number 3. Gee whiz. Right, that was number 3. Now we do the up and down here with number 4. So that's number 4. So we've ended up with a slightly dull looking lens. A nice even surface. Hopefully that's just going to buff up nicely with the power of the wool. Give that a wee buff. Oh yeah, that made all the difference. Alright, just give that one more go with the old zipperoo. Good, it's not quite up to Badgertronix standards yet. Don't really have standards. Pretend for a video. Right, that's looking good to me. It's microfiber, so this isn't drying off too well, but I'm happy with that. Get a piece of paper towel, dry it off, and take a photo of the after. Ta-da! It's quick, it's easy, it works. We'll give the Meguiars one-step headlight restoration plus kit a thumbs up.